Hello and welcome to today's trading session. We've got about 30 seconds till this market opens. I'm going to quickly put my levels in. So basically all I'm doing is taking the open high-low close from yesterday. Not the open, sorry, just the high-low close. Round that one up. Okay, so we've got a pretty good short potential here on the Dax. We've got 15 seconds. I'm just going to do the FTSE as well quite quickly. So I'm looking for a short on the Dax. I can instantly see there's a potential there to go back down to the close gap. So we'll see if that plays out live. 7527. Okay, and the UK probably might have a breakout day today. So we'll just have a look at what goes on here. Nice strong push up would be ideal. I'm just going to hit a sell here, have a tight stop, because it could always push up higher. You get that initial volume coming in nice and quick. Yeah, it can really sort of make waves. I'm going to target the close gap here, down at 15,774. Expand that out now. Double click on the charts down the bottom, and that will let me kind of get my preset layout. Now, if you're going to do a hedge, I would look at shorting the Dax and maybe going long on the FTSE, because we're above these levels here. It might just drift off. So if you were going to hedge the two markets, that's what I'd be looking at. Now the Dax, it looks like it's kind of rejecting off these levels, but it can always go up. You know, it doesn't always have to be straight away. It can sort of find a bit of volume, find its feet, and come out and take me out. But we're hoping and looking for to stay in this price action here. This kind of channel, it kind of popped out, came back down. It's really seesawing around this level. So it's kind of finding its feet here now. There is every chance that it will go up higher. It's not the most concrete setup I've ever seen, but it's at a good position to get short. Ideally, the stop will be a little bit further away, but if I've learned anything, it's don't let trades that are losing run too far. So to be honest, actually, I'm probably just going to pull it down here. If it goes up beyond this candle, I don't really want to be in the trade. So it's a very small loss if I do take a loss here, and that's okay. You know, we can come back again another day and wait for the right setup. If this one kind of drifts up above this high point, it's not the setup I was looking for. As you can see here, the FTSE is pushing up higher. Might hit this R2 and perhaps beyond. Okay, and we've been stopped out on the Dax. So potentially we're just going to kind of drift up long for the day. It's not something I really want to sit in and be a part of. I really like the quick rejections in and out of the market and done for the day. So for me, guys, nothing really setting up for me. If I was going to place a trade, I'd be going just kind of like a buy and hold for the rest of the day type thing. Obviously, if I get up to the R2 or R3, I'd be looking to exit. But that's not really my style of trading. But that's probably what's going to happen today as an estimate. The other situation is we might come and tap the high or tap this R2, and then both markets could drift down to the close gap, and even down to this this action down here on the FTSE. See, that could be an okay short entry, but I am concerned that we're just going to drift up because of where we've opened. It's not really something that I want to risk today. So that's it from me today, guys. Pretty short and sweet. Nothing very exciting setting up. I had a small loss and that's part of trading. I'm not going to now go on revenge trade because I understand that if the trade isn't there, there's no value in me continuing looking for setups. This isn't too bad of a setup on the FTSE, but it's not strong enough for me to really warrant getting in and risking another loss for the day. If we kind of push up here, that would be ideal. If we do reject off this level, a potential target is the extreme gap or the previous day's high, the close, or it could even go all the way down. So depending on your style of trading, how long you like to hold things and how confident you are, you might set your target a little bit shorter, you might go for a longer target, or even down at the previous day's low or just above where the breakout short levels are. Best of luck with your trading, guys. I hope these videos help. Like and subscribe if they are helpful. Your subscriptions and your likes and comments really do help me keep this channel running, keeps me motivated to help somebody out and give them a bit more information about how it all works. Anyway, guys, best of luck, and we'll talk to you later.